Welcome everybody. I'm Burt McCarty, Professor of Turfgrass Science at Clemson University in Clemson, South Carolina, along with Mr. T. Studemeyer, my IT guy. We're here to give you kind of a sampling of a upcoming field day that we're having on campus on April the 9th, 2024. This field day is going to be focusing on pole control as well as disease control. Dr. Joe Roberts, also with Clemson, will be putting out, or we'll have some disease control plots also. The field day, again, April the 9th. It's going to start about 8:45 at the Walker Golf Course Maintenance Shop that is located on 412 Cherry Road in Clemson, South Carolina, 29634. Again, 412 Cherry Road, Clemson, South Carolina, 29634. The event's free, open to the general public. We will be offering pesticide credits for South Carolina, North Carolina, and Georgia, as well as CCA CEU credits, and for the Golf Course Superintendents Association credits also. So again, a plug for the April 9th field day that we're going to have on campus in 2024. Again, today is a beautiful late winter day here in Clemson, and we're going to be looking at some pore control trials in non-overseeded warm season grasses. Pore, of course, is quickly become our world's worst weed in fine turfgrass situations. And so let's look at some of the latest control options for that. Welcome everybody. Again, Burt McCarty at Clemson University. We're looking at a pore control trial in a non-overseeded warm season golf green. Again, pore has become our world's worst weed in turf, mainly because of herbicide resistance and because of its broad genetic background. Therefore, it's adaptable to many environments. This is in mid-March 2024. Again, this is just one of many trials I will be showing off at a field day on April 9th. So here is the untreated. You can see the heavy pore pressure. Next to it is a treatment of spectacle flow. It was applied at 6 fluid ounces per acre back in September of 2023. Again, we are in mid-March 2024. Treatment 3 is kind of a three-way standard in today's world. It is Princep, 16 fluid ounces per acre, Curb at a half a pound active per acre, as well as spectacle flow, again at 6 fluid ounces. All of these were applied in early November 2023. Again, excellent pore control, and the turf is greening up appropriately. Next to it is a combination of the Princep again at 16 fluid ounces, Curb at a half pound again, but instead of spectacle flow, we have prodiamine at 1 pound active per acre. Again, all three were applied in early November 2023. We're in mid-March 2024. Just like the previous treatments, we're having good to excellent control with these two applications. Treatment 5 is a combination again of the Princep at 16 fluid ounces, Revolver at 9 fluid ounces, and then the spectacle flow at 6 fluid ounces per acre. Again, the difference here is we got the Revolver instead of the Curb. And so this combination also put out 1st of November, just like the previous two plots, has excellent control here in mid-March. Treatment 6 is again the Princep, 16 fluid ounces, Revolver at 9 ounces, just like the previous treatment. But here we have prodiamine at a pound active per acre instead of the spectacle flow. Again, good control with this combination as well as the other previous 4 applications. Treatment 7 is a combination of the Princep again, 16 fluid ounces, Revolver at 9 ounces. And for the pre-emergent, we put in Tower. Tower was applied at 32 ounces. All three applied again the 1st of November. Again, fair control here with the Tower. Obviously, with the heavy rain we've experienced this past winter, probably need a repeat application. So we don't get in fair control with this combination. Treatment 8 is again the Princep at 16 fluid ounces per acre, Revolver at 9 fluid ounces. And here the pre-emergent we used was Pennant Magnum. Pigment Magnum at 4 pints per acre. Again, unacceptable control. Pigment Magnum did not provide long-term control. Again, to be fair to the herbicide, we did have exceptional heavy rain during the winter and early spring here in Clemson. Treatment 9, this is just a post-emergent application of Negate. Negate is a combination of rimsulfuron and metsulfuron, applied at the labor rate of 1.5 ounces per acre. This particular application was applied January the 2nd, 2024. So we're about 9 weeks, 10 weeks past the application. So this particular herbicide combination has no pre-emergent activity. And so we did get some pretty good post-emergent burn down, but because we didn't have a pre-emergent herbicide combined with it, we're starting to get regrowth. Probably the take-home message from this particular trial that we just looked at is not one particular herbicide could give you 100% pore control throughout the fall, winter, and spring. We have gone to tank mixing products with different modes of action, to try to address the herbicide resistance. You did see some brown spots out in the plots. This was not from herbicide burn, but rather from a late season frost we had last week. And so the combinations of Princep, Curb, and Spectacle are with prodiamine, or Princep Revival Spectacle, or Princep Revival Prodiamine had a good excellent control. And so again, as we have seen previous years, these combinations do provide that three-way punch to the poana, and even with the heavy rainfall we've had this winter, we still in mid-March having good control. So again, please come to our field day if you feel it's going to be beneficial. April 9th here on campus. Again, it's going to be at the Walker Golf Course maintenance shop, which again is 412 Cherry Road in Clemson, 29634. Hope to see you there. Thanks.